So I just wanted to make a quick video on if your Furminator is starting to not work as good. And odds are there's buildup in between the tines. Kind of hard to show. But you can see there's some gunk in between there. Basically that's skin cells and oil and whatever that was in your cat's fur. And what I found works best is if you have some rubbing alcohol, a brush with some reasonably stiff bristles. This is a toothbrush I use for cleaning stuff, and paper towel doesn't hurt as well. Now you want to use rubbing alcohol because this is stainless steel, but you also don't want it to start rusting and corroding because you got a bunch of water on it. And what I end up usually doing is I'll just kind of, oops, my sprayer is a little broken. I'll end up just kind of spraying down the tines like this. So you can see it's all wet with rubbing alcohol now. And I'll take my brush and I'll brush away from the tines like this. And as you can see, it's a little bit cleaner now. It's not perfect. There's still some gunk I missed on the right side. So I'll just hit that with a toothbrush. And you might need to clean it more than once. So you can see there's still some fine residue left in there. Another thing you can do is you kind of pinch the tines between your paper towel, and you'll just slide the paper towel across them. You want to pull it away from the tines, not towards the tines, because if you pull it towards the tines, you're just going to get a bunch of paper towel in it. But I'm going to hit this again with some more rubbing alcohol with my wonderful busted spray bottle. Also, doesn't hurt to saturate your brush with rubbing alcohol as well. And just work through it like this. Don't necessarily need the paper towel, I just try not to get my work surface too dirty. You can go sideways as well, but it's not going to accomplish as much as just going down it. If you go inwards, what you're risking is you're just going to rip the little strands of plastic out of the toothbrush and get them stuck in your Furminator. If it'll focus, as you can see now, they're pretty much perfectly clean. You're not going to get them 100% perfect, but after cleaning that gunk out, this is going to work a lot better now. So hopefully that's helpful, and thanks for watching.